this exercise, we will take a look at spanning columns. What if the table contains data that spans multiple columns? For example, a personal calendar could have events that span across multiple hours or even multiple days. Data can span columns using the colSpan attribute. The attributes accepts an integer greater than or equal to 1 to denote the number of columns it spans across. In the example above, the data out of town, right here, spans the Monday and Tuesday table headings using the value 2 or 2 columns. The data back in town appears only under the Wednesday heading. So this first table data will span the Monday and Tuesday table headings because we set the colSpan attribute to integer 2. Let's see the instructions. In index.html, span a TD element across 2 columns. Let's see which TD element we should span. Okay, let's go there and create another tr element with 2 table data elements, and now let's give this one a colSpan attribute with the value of 2. Now let's run. It is correct. Now let's see. You see, this is the last table row right here. It has 2 table data elements instead of 3 like the rest of the tr elements, but we give the first TD element the colSpan attribute with the value of 2, so it expands 2 table data elements. You see, it is 1 and 2, and this is what the colSpan attribute does to a TD element. It expands the given number of table cells. Okay, let's proceed to the next exercise.